Hello everyone, this is Shavika and here my friend Shelly. We are presenting our PPT on topic ICI Jaipur branch. So let's get start. Introduction. It is a statutory body established by the Parliament and it plays a crucial role in developing and maintaining professional standards for its members. Preface. It, it was set up on 1st April 1970 by Sri C.L. Janwar. Overview. Location. It is located in the heart of the city. Modern facilities are provided here to support professional growth and the development of its members. Strategic presence. Strategically, it is situated to cater the financial and accounting needs of the thriving Jaipur business community. History and establishment of Jaipur branch. It was established several years ago or decades ago. It is significantly contributing in accounting and financial regions of the society. Eminent founders. It is not only founded by only a one person. There are a group of professionals are here. It is the largest branch of a central region. Services and activities offered by Jaipur branch. Professional services. It provides a professional as well as a consultancy services to businesses, also individuals. Knowledge sharing. It also are conducting seminars, workshops, and many other programs to enhance professional skills and knowledge. Community engagement. It is actively engaged in the activities to serve uh, initiatives, those who are taking initiatives in the professional field or where the needs are required, any needs are to be done by the ICI. There are exclusive benefits for the members in regarding resources and network. Professional criteria is there for individuals. It has a clear guidance and a qualification for individuals and membership with Jaipur branch. Now my friend Shelly will continue. Then I will continue with presentation. Professional development and training programs. Skill enhancement. Jaipur branch offering program designed to enhance the technical proficiency and professional skill set of members and continual learning. Jaipur branch provide a workshop to keep members of the latest industries, developments and trends, and event and networking opportunities. Deserve networking, hosting various events and creating networking platforms for members to connect and interact within the professional community. Knowledge enhance, facilitating knowledge sharing throughout industries, conferences, seminars, and collaborative sessions. Collaborative with the local business and organizations. Strategic partnerships align with local businesses to support economic growth and sustainability. Business advisory, providing professional advisory services to local entrepreneurs and organizations for their financial and compliance needs. Achievement and recognition of the Jaipur branch. Acknowledgement, recognition for its significant contribution to the accounting profession, sought awards and allocated. Demonstrated outstanding performance in promoting professional standards and ethics. Awards. CRIC Highly Commended Branch 2021. ICI Best Branch of Student Association 2020. Best Sikasa Branch 2019. CRIC Best Branch Award 2016 and other more awards. Conclusion and future plans. The Jaipur branch of ICI remain committed to its mission of upholding professional integrity and excellence in the field of accountancy. its further expansion and collaboration, aiming to continue its impactful journey in shaping in the financial and business domain of Jaipur. Thank you.